I'm working on my 2008 Pontiac G5, and it's a little rainy out today, so I'm gonna work inside the car, and I'm going to be replacing the shifter knob and the shifter boot. And it looks like they've used electrical tape, so I'm gonna remove that. The first thing you do to remove the boot, besides pull it away from the console, is to remove the boot, you got to hold it around the collar and twist counterclockwise, and then that pulls away, and then the knob just pulls off. Typically I use a plastic trim tool and just pry in here and pry up. There we go.